today's topic is terrorism.
Attacks like Pahalgam attack, Mumbai attack, Parliament attack has shaken the nation.
Poverty, unemployment, and political instability are the major reasons.
Achieve political, religious, and personal ideological goals.
We see the main person of 2008 Mumbai attack, Taj Mahal Kasab, which is fully brainwashed. He is educated but is fully brainwashed.
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करने के चक्कर में चीज़ें केवल खराब हो जाती हैं कि मुझे बेस्ट करना है, ये थॉट लेकर ही नहीं आना, अंदर ही अंदर बोलते हैं, थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलने की कोशिश किया जाए, राइट?
बहुत जगह पे ओ को ए लिखा है, वही बहुत बड़ी गलती है अपने आप में। तो ये माइन्यूट सी मिस्टेक्स है, आपको कोशिश करनी है कि कोई गलती वहाँ पे आपकी हाईलाइट इस तरह से ना हो।
हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का एक और मॉक ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर स्वागत है। आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरीके से मॉक जो है एयरफोर्स के अंदर होते हैं। एक और बैच हमारा यहाँ पर है जो आप लोगों को मॉक ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके दिखाएगा कि क्या क्या कमियाँ जो है वहाँ पर आप लोगों को नहीं करनी है, किस तरीके से आपको जो इनिशिएट करना है, शीट पे कैसे लिखना है, ऑफिसर किस तरीके से नरेट करते हैं, वो सारी की सारी जानकारी आपको इस पर्टिकुलर मॉक से जो है देखने को मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? All good? Yes, sir. Okay, so today we are here, one of your important tasks, that is your group discussion round. But before we starting anything, we will share with some instruction that you have to keep in mind before starting the group discussion. Group discussion has been divided into three major parts. Number one, your writing part. Number two, your individual narration. And number three, your discussion part. In the writing part, 2 sheets will be awarded to each candidate. 1 sheet will be your rough sheet and second sheet will be fair sheet. For rough sheet, you will be awarded 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes you will be awarded to write down your thoughts with the whatever I am going to read this particular topic. The topic is today's terrorism. So I will be reading this particular topic and you will be note down on the note making on rough sheet. After completing the rough sheet process, so we will award extra 10 minutes to write down your thought with the help of rough sheet. You will be write down your thoughts on fair sheet. So after completing the writing process, so we will start the narration part. The individual narration round, 1 minute will be awarded to each candidate. Suppose chest number 1, chest number 2, subsequently chest number 20. Once the chest number 20 will be completed, their introduction and topic narration as well. So we will instruct to start the group discussion and we will allow you to start the group discussion and everyone can participate in a group discussion. Discussion will be open, so anyone can participate in a group discussions. So it's all about the group discussion scenarios which you have to follow. In group discussion, we will be observing you 3 major points: your clarity of thought, confidence and presentation skills. So this is all about. Shall we start? Yes, sir. Okay. So today's topic is terrorism. Terrorism is one of the biggest threats to peace and insecurity in modern world. Okay, so now you have 10 minutes to write down your thoughts with the help of rough sheet and your time start now. Okay, time over. Collect the sheet, pass to the next candidate. Okay, so now we are going to start your individual narration round. So 1 minute will be awarded to each candidate. But here is where we are giving a short instruction. You have to skip your introduction part. We are directly jump into the narration part. You will greet, Jai Hind everyone, Jai Hind sir, and you will jump into the narration part. Okay. So we are starting from chest number 1. Yeah, please, you can start.
Jai Hind everyone, I would like to narrate the topic assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism is one of the most threatening global issues faced by the world today. Its use of violence, fear by the groups or individuals to achieve ideological, religious goals. It's mainly due to the religious extremism and radical ideology. India is facing terrorism for the decades in the areas like Jammu Kashmir and Northeast. Attacks like Pahalgam attack, Mumbai attack, Parliament attack has shaken the nation. It causes loss of innocent lives and fear and insecurity among the peoples. All the countries should work together and cooperate to fight this issue and for a safer nation. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I would like to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism is a system in which people can include easily. They can never outside from this. It is a major problem in north area like Jammu and Kashmir, and it is continuously increasing due to the lack of security and injustice. And if I talk about many attack has become already, like 2001 Parliament attack, 2008 Mumbai attack and Pulwama attack. So it is a major problem and we should be aware that we can't depend only the government. It is our responsibility and we should be aware that easily.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, now I will narrate the topic that is assigned to us, terrorism. What is terrorism? Terrorism is the use of violence and fear to achieve religious, political goals, and they mainly targeting innocent civilians. What are the causes of the terrorism? Poverty, unemployment, and political instability are the major reason for the behind terrorism. What are the types of terrorism? Types of terrorism are domestic terrorism, religious extremism, cross-border terrorism, and lone wolf like terrorism. Impact on a society due to the terrorism. The many people, innocent people, lost their lives, psychological fear, and economic damage. The role of border security forces in a terrorism to reduce it, and it is the responsibility of other countries and nations to prevent the problem faced by the terrorism.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I would like to narrate the topic which has been assigned to us, which is terrorism. Terrorism is the biggest threat to the peace and security of the people. It is the use of fear and violence performed by the group or individual to achieve politically religious goals. It is not only affect the security of the people but also affect the stability of the nation. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is terrorism. Terrorism is the biggest problem faced by whole world. It creation of fear among the people. It is use of violence, fear and panic. A group of achieve their religious, political and geological goals. The cause of terrorism: lack of education and social inequality. Groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, ISI and Jaish-e-Mohammed are a global network. Pakistan is the epicenter of the terrorism. Due to terrorism, innocent people lose their lives and property. Many innocent people has died in Delhi bomb blast a few days ago. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism means using violence and fear against the people and government by achieve their political and religious goals. Their actions in public places and also monuments in our country. Their actions disturb peace and public and also development of this country. India has faced many terrorism attacks on it, like 2001 Parliament attack and 2008 the Mumbai Taj Hotel attack, and a few months ago the Pahalgam attack. There many innocent pupils give their life, and we have to aware about this, and border security forces also alert to this. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, now coming to today's topic, terrorism. Terrorism is the biggest threat to peace the country across the country at the same time. It is the use of fear, violence and political religious.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is terrorism. Terrorism is the biggest problem we are faced. It uses fear, violence and achieve political, religious and personal ideological goal. Terrorism is not only harm innocent people but also create a fear in society and affect country peace and development. In recent we are know 22 April 2015 terrorism attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir killed 26 civilians and about 20 people injured. Big attacks like in India faced many years of terrorism, especially Jammu and Kashmir. 2000 Parliament attack, 2000 and Mumbai attack, in 2019 Pulwama attack. Misuse of technology and crosses border areas support also encouraging terrorism. Thank you, gentlemen.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism, which means use to violence or fear to achieve political or ideological goals. It threats the peace, security and unity of the nations. It affects the stability and development of the nation. The main cause of lack of education, poverty and unemployment in India has affected many regions like Jammu and Kashmir and Naxal affected areas. In last, terrorism is a global issue and it need to ensure the zero tolerance policy. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I would tell about the topic terrorism. Terrorism is which means of the create the fear and unsecurity of the people. Terrorism main issues of the unemployment, poverty and lack of awareness. Is terrorism is India is faces many terrorism like 2001 is Parliament attack, 2008 Mumbai Taj attack and Pulwama attack. Currently in attack in Pahalgam attack is faced. India is 4 decades regions is faced Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Punjab. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I would like to narrate the topic which has been assigned to us. That is terrorism. Terrorism means using violence and fear to harm innocent people for political, religious and their personal goals. It is one of the biggest threats to peace and national security. It is not only our nation's but it is an international issue. India has faced many terrorism attacks like Pulwama attacks, Pahalgam attacks, 2001. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I am going to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism is the use of violence, threat and fear to harm the innocent people in order to achieve the political and religious goal. Terrorism is the biggest threat to our not a country, it is all about the international level. Terrorists generally target the public places like bus, market and etc. Terrorists target religious places like temple in order to fulfill the desire of the political parties. Terrorism is a great loss of humanity and peace and public property. Terrorism means the misuse of weapons and misuse of education also. They do in the force of their country and lack of food, lack of awareness and religious also. Further I will discuss in GD. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. The topic which is assigned to us terrorism. Terrorism is one of the biggest threats to peace and security. It is the use of fear, violence and individual and group achieve political and ideological goal. It is not only affect the human security but also affect all over the country. India has faced terror attack decades like region Jammu Kashmir and Northeast area affect Naxalis border has become major challenge from neighbor country. And so many attacks faces India like 2001 Parliament attack, 2008 Mumbai attack, 2019 Pulwama attack and 2025 Pahalgam attack shaken the nation. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism means creation fear of among people. It results in loss of innocent public property. It results in not all political country but also the whole world. Terrorist group like ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish Mohammed have a global network. Pakistan is the epicenter of terrorism. Terrorism misuse the technology, weapons and global network. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. I would tell about the topic which has been assigned to me, that is terrorism. Terrorism is a critical issue faced by world today. It happens because of political instability, economic instability, conflict between nations, injustice, inequality among peoples. India faced terrorism for decades. Regions like Jammu Kashmir, Northeast area affected by Naxalism. Its effects, several attacks like Parliament attack, Mumbai attack, Pulwama attack and recently Pahalgam attack have shaken the nation. So we need to strong security system, defense system and strict law and punishment for terrorists. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I am going to narrate my topic which has been assigned to us. Terrorism. In this modern age where we are living, terrorism has become a major threat to peace and security. It is a form of violence which creates fear among the innocent people to achieve political, religious and ideological goals. The main cause of terrorism is unemployment, unawareness and poverty. India has faces many terrorism attacks like 2001 Parliament attack, 2008 Mumbai attack and 2019 Pulwama attack. Recently we have seen Pahalgam attacks is a cross-border terrorism. When we saw inside the India, there are many terrorism groups like Naxalism has mainly seen in the states like Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. I would like to begin the discussion sharing my view. Terrorism is the use of violence and fear to achieve great goals. It is a harm publicly safety. Publicly safety is a major challenge for serious issue in today for every nation. Impact in terrorism for dispersed national security and create fear among people. It is a slow down economic growth by effective tourism, business and investment. And India has faced many terrorism attacks. 2001 Parliament attack, 2008 in Bombay Taj hotel attack and recently Pahalgam attack. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I tell about the topic terrorism. Terrorism is a serious and biggest national and international problem. It which means the fear of creations and groups to achieve political and religious ideological goals. And terrorism affects the safety of the peoples and stability of the development of country. Terrorism groups like ISI, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed have a global network. Terrorism attacks like 2001 Parliament attack and 2008 Mumbai attack and Pulwama attack. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. My topic is terrorism. Terrorism is one of the biggest threat to peace and security. It means using violence to create fear among people. Terrorism affects not only an individual but it also slows down the overall growth of the nation. And terrorism happening because lack of education, poverty and weak laws. And India faces many terrorist activities like 2001 Parliament attack and 2008 Mumbai attack and 2019 Pahalgam attack. And government should be implement strict laws like UAPA and POTA. And government through work army, police, air force to stop terrorism. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I would like to tell you about a topic which has been assigned to us, that is terrorism. Terrorism is the biggest threat to the peace of a nation. It is the violence which is created by an individual or a group of members to achieve their goal. It is not a national but also an international problem. Terrorism is Pakistan is the epicenter of terrorism. There are many groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, ISI and Jaish-e-Mohammed which creates threats among whole world. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, I would like to initiate the GD. Terrorism is not affecting the safety of people, but also the development and stability of our nation.
This terrorism affect not only individual but also slow down the overall development of the nation. It affect our international cooperation, injustice, in fear among people.
I agree with your point that terrorism affects the economic growth of any country, but it is not only economic growth. It also affects the humanity. That is, nothing is greater than the humanity in the world.
And Northeast states are most affected by terrorism.
Terrorism increase main reason for poverty, unemployment, and lack of education.
People side internet.
Terrorism is not only harm innocent people, but also create fear in society and affect country peace and development.
I agree with you, just number 20. Terrorism main faces cross-border country. We have to aware about this. Our border security forces.
Terrorist attack is main reason government property and public property and misuse the weapons and
will damage the national unity and harmony.
It is the use of fear, violence and political religious.
Terrorism which is used to violence and fear to achieve political or ideological goals.
Terrorism is symbolic. The attack is the crowd area and public area and
Terrorism is the misuse of weapons and internet.
I agree with your point. In today's time, misuse of technology and crosses border areas also encouraging terrorism.
Education, poverty, and weak strict law. So government should be implement strict law.
I agree with you, chess number 90. We have to aware about this and educate our young youth to do not join the terrorism groups.
Terrorism lack of education, social inequality and misuse the weapons.
India has faced many terrorism attacks like 2001 Parliament attack, 2001 Mumbai attack, and recently we have seen in 2025 Pahalgam attacks, which shaken the whole country.
Yes, number 16, I agree with you. India has faced several attacks like region Jammu Kashmir, Northeast by Naxalism.
I agree with your point. Terrorism leads to innocent lives and destruction of property. Also affect our tourism and trade.
After independence in our country and increasing day by day because lack of education and poverty and
in India, Jammu Kashmir faces many terrorist activities because lack of poverty and political and border issues.
I agree with your point, chess number 90. Many terrorists are educated, but the mindset of the main cause of terrorism.
Radicalization among youths are the major reason for the terrorism.
The main cause of terrorism is poverty and lack of awareness. They terrorists brainwash their young youth.
Yes, I agree with your point that lack of education and lack of unemployment and poverty and the mind wash of the people that they can join the terrorism group through which they can support their religious group. That is wrong. It is not any religious group to support them.
Yes, I agree with your point, just number 12, that we see the main person of 2008 Mumbai attack, Taj Mahal Kasab, which is fully brainwashed. He is educated but is fully brainwashed.
Stop the terrorism. Every country must work together and fight with terrorism.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with you. If we stop the terrorism, we have to educate the people and give employment and reduce poverty.
I agree with you, just number 20. You said that the Kasab was fully mind-washed. He said that he will get the heaven after killing all the innocent people.
I am agree with you, chest number 4. It is showing their radical ideology and religious extremism.
Pakistan is the epicenter of terrorism. Many groups like Lakshar and Taiwan ISIS have global network.
Terrorism includes bomb blast on civilians and cyber attacks. It is not affected individual, but it slows down our national growth.
The first time terrorism shocked the whole world. 9/11 Parliament attack in America.
Terrorism will stop the use of advanced technology and intelligence system.
For attacks, terrorists use the social media and technologies. If our government used AI drones and technologies to know about before happening the terrorist attack.
In my conclusion, terrorism is not a national, it is a global issue. So countries must together with a strong determination only when the aim of safe world be achieved. Thank you.
In my conclusion, terrorism is not an international and national problem, but also it is a global problem, and we need to awareness and spreading awareness about that.
I would like to conclude the topic terrorism. Terrorism has no religion or no humanity. So it is a responsibility of government and citizens to aware about it and safety is in our hand.
I would like to conclude that terrorism is a serious threat. Only strong security, global cooperation, and public awareness to help society stay in peace.
In my opinion, terrorism is very harmful for the country because it is harmful for the education system and the employment system and slow down the stability of the nation. And the government should be implement strict laws like UAPA and POTA.
In my conclusion, as we discussed a very good point in group discussion, after considering all the point, I want to conclude the topic by saying that terrorism is not only a national issue but is a global issue. It is use of violence to threat people security, and with all the country should work together to handle this terrorism by zero tolerance policy. Thank you.
In my conclusion, terrorism has become a major threat to peace and security. So all the countries must come together to ensure peace, security, and growth of the whole world.
In my conclusion, terrorism is not only a national problem but also a global problem. Government should be strict laws and punishment for terrorists.
In a conclusion, terrorism is not only one nation issue, it's a global issue. And the main cause behind this unemployment, lack of education and unawareness. To overcome this, we need to strong intelligence and strong security and zero tolerance policy.
In my conclusion, terrorism is a serious problem all over the world, and we stop the terrorism gives the better job opportunities.
I would like to conclude the topic. Terrorism is the not national problem but is a global problem because it is affect the economy and the development of a country.
Okay, you have participated well, but I would like to share a couple of feedbacks to candidates. So we are starting from chest number 1. देखिए स्टार्ट अच्छा था आपका, ठीक है ना, एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी थी, कॉन्फिडेंस भी अच्छा था, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आपके चेहरे से है ना सीरियस दिखते हो आप, एक थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन अपने चेहरे पे रखो, ज़्यादा चीज़ें पॉजिटिव रहेंगी। 2 बार आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर, वैल्यूबल जो है पॉइंट्स रखें, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी, लेकिन चेहरे पे हल्की सी पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन रखनी है। सीरियस लगता है उससे ऐसा लगता है कि आप हेजिटेट तो नहीं है क्योंकि आप अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, अच्छे पॉइंट्स रख रहे हैं, तो हल्का सा पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन रखेंगे, एनर्जी थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा आप लगेंगे, राइट। कमिंग टू द चेस्ट नंबर 2, चेस्ट नंबर 2 की मैं बात करता हूँ। एवरेज स्टार्ट है, एवरेज कॉन्फिडेंस, एवरेज नॉन वर्बल स्किल है, आपका भी चेहरा जो है सीरियस है और आपके चेहरे से ना गुस्सा दिखता है, लाइक इट शोज एंगर, राइट, ऐसा लगता है आप गुस्से में हैं, ठीक है ना, तो वो नहीं दिखना चाहिए। और पॉइंट्स जीडी के अंदर आपने एवरेज दिए, 4 बार पार्टिसिपेट करके एक बार कंक्लूड भी किया। देखो मैं एक चीज़ आपको यहाँ पे बताना चाहूँगा, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जीडी में बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करना है, कम पार्टिसिपेट करो भले ही, लेकिन वैल्यूबल पॉइंट्स रखो। आपके पॉइंट से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सेटिस्फाई नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आपने पार्टिसिपेशन का जो है इनिशिएटिव क्वालिटीज़ जो रिफ्लेक्ट किए हैं वो एक अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन थोड़ा लॉजिकल भी होना पड़ेगा और चेहरे पे थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन रखो, ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। चेस्ट नंबर 3, 4 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया, एक बार आपने कंक्लूड किया। गुड स्टार्ट, गुड कॉन्फिडेंस, गुड नॉन वर्बल स्किल्स, गुड नॉलेज। लेकिन व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड योर नरेशन पॉइंट, राइट, जब नरेशन आप दे रहे थे तो आपके अंदर है ना परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी हो गया। एक्चुअली में इस टर्म्स को हम कंसिडर करते हैं ओवर परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी। लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करने के चक्कर में चीज़ें कई बार ख़राब हो जाती हैं कि मुझे बेस्ट करना है, ये थॉट लेकर ही नहीं आना अपने माइंड में, ठीक है ना। नॉर्मल काम एंड कंपोज तरीके से अपनी चीज़ों को रिप्रेजेंट, क्योंकि रेगुलर आपका अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, आज एकदम से डाउन हो गया, लेकिन आप अच्छा कर लोगे, ठीक है ना। आई कॉन्टैक्ट भी थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं नहीं कर पाए उतना अच्छे तरीके से आप, ठीक है ना। लेकिन जीडी में आपने अच्छे वैलिड पॉइंट्स रखे हैं, तो ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन नरेशन को भी इक्वली हमें अच्छा करना है, ठीक है। चेस्ट नंबर 4 की मैं बात करता हूँ, सब कुछ बढ़िया है आपका, राइट। जीडी के अंदर जो आपके पॉइंट्स हैं बड़े वैलिड मुझे लगे। 3 बार आपने पार्टिसिपेट करके एक बार कंक्लूड भी किया, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, तो आपका बढ़िया है, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप अंदर ही अंदर बोलते हैं, थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलने की कोशिश किया करें, राइट। बाकी सब बढ़िया था। चेस्ट नंबर 5 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। चेस्ट नंबर 5, you have performed well and you have participated 4 times in a GD, right? 4 टाइम आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, एक बार आपने कंक्लूड किया, आपका सब कुछ एवरेज है। आप बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट बोल लेते हैं नरेशन से। एक चीज़ मेक श्योर कर लीजिए कि जब आप फास्ट बोलेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत ये होगा कि कोई भी वर्ड अगर स्लिप हुआ तो सब भूल जाओगे आप, ये आपको नहीं करना है, ठीक है ना। काम एंड कंपोज तरीके से अपने पॉइंट्स को आपको जो है वहाँ पर जो है एक्सप्रेस करना, ये चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी है। आई कॉन्टैक्ट आपका एवरेज था, हेजिटेटेड लगे मुझे। जीडी में आपका जो पार्टिसिपेशन, आपके पास पॉइंट्स नहीं है, वही चीज़ मैंने जो अभी चेस्ट नंबर जो है 2 को बताई, वही मैं आपको शेयर करना चाहूँगा। बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करना भी ज़रूरी नहीं, ये नहीं कि बोलने का मतलब कुछ भी बोलना नहीं होता है, थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल भी आप लोगों का होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना। अपनी स्पीड को कंट्रोल करेंगे, प्लस में कंटेंट को लॉजिकल बोलेंगे, थोड़ा सुनेंगे। आपकी लिसनिंग क्वालिटीज़ जो है, मुझे लिसनिंग एबिलिटीज़ थोड़ी सी कम लगी, वो आप सुनेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप दूसरे के पॉइंट में ऐड कर पाएंगे। एक वैल्यूबल पॉइंट्स आप तभी रख पाएंगे जब दूसरों को आप सुनेंगे, क्योंकि 60% अगर स्पीकिंग मैटर करती है तो 40% आपकी लिसनिंग एबिलिटी भी मैटर करती है। दोनों को आपको इक्वली जो है लेकर चलना है, ओके। तो यही था फीडबैक, बस यही जो चीज़ें मैंने कमियाँ बताई इनको आप ध्यान रखेंगे। नाउ इट्स ओवर टू साक्षी मैम। यस मैम, प्लीज़।
काफ़ी बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा भी लिखा है, तो जिन्होंने अच्छा लिखा है मैं उनकी मिस्टेक्स को हाईलाइट नहीं करूँगी, जो बताने की ज़रूरत है। जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने, क्योंकि मैं मानती हूँ कि टॉपिक का नाम थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन वाला हो सकता है, जब आप लिखने आएंगे तो बहुत सारे बच्चों ने स्पेलिंग एरर्स करे हैं। अब वो गलती आप वहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते, जो टॉपिक का नाम ही है आप उसके भी स्पेलिंग एरर कर रहे हो, जिसकी टेररिज्म में भी बच्चों ने बहुत सारी स्पेलिंग एरर्स कर रखी है। चेस्ट नंबर 4 ने पीपल की स्पेलिंग में भी गलत लिख रखा है, PEAPLE। हाँ, वो लिखने की कोशिश कर रहा होगा ओ, लेकिन उसने बहुत जगह पे ओ को ए लिखा है, वही बहुत बड़ी गलती है अपने आप में। तो ये माइन्यूट सी मिस्टेक्स है। देखो, अगर उन्होंने आपको रिटन फॉर्मेट में कुछ लिखने के लिए दिया है तो उसकी कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू तो है, उसमें आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एबिलिटी चेक हो रही है। मे बी वो डेप्थ में जाके ना चेक करे, बट फिर भी आपको कोशिश करनी है कि कोई गलती वहाँ पे आपकी हाईलाइट इस तरह से ना हो। बाकी जिसकी कटिंग्स आपको नहीं करनी है बिल्कुल भी। आप रफ शीट में जब लिख रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर करिए, जब आप फेयर शीट में लिख रहे हैं तो आप उसमें कहीं पे भी कटिंग्स नहीं करें, अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करके लिखें। नेक्स्ट है चेस्ट नंबर 6 ने गलती कर रखी है कि 2-3 जगह पे कटिंग्स कर रखी है, और दूसरा आपको जो यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस मिला होता है उसे अलाइन करके लिखने की कोशिश करनी है, ठीक है। अलाइनमेंट आपका होना चाहिए जब आप की पॉइंट्स लिख रहे हैं तो। चेस्ट नंबर 8 ने स्पेलिंग एरर्स बहुत ज़्यादा कर रखे हैं, मतलब कंटेंट बहुत लिखा हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा लिखा है आपने, इंट्रो में भी पॉइंट्स में भी अच्छा लिखा है, बट नीचे स्पेस छोड़ दिया। लाइन यहाँ पे बना रखी थी, नीचे स्पेस छोड़ दिया, लेकिन यहाँ पे ही लिखा बहुत बेचा करके लिखा, उसको स्पेस नहीं छोड़ा, तो वो क्लियरली गंदा लग रहा है देखने में भी और समझ में भी नहीं आएगा। अगेन इन्होंने बहुत सारी कटिंग्स कर रखी है, वो आपको नहीं करनी है।
सो दिस इज़ वॉट, जितने भी बच्चे देख रहे हैं, तो ये था ग्रुप डिस्कशन, जहाँ पर इस तरीके से ही फीडबैक वाले सेशन नहीं होते, क्योंकि फीडबैक का जो आप देख पा रहे हैं, डिस्कशन जैसे ओवर होता है ऐसे ही ओवर हो जाता है, लेकिन हम फीडबैक रखते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू, कि आप लोग इससे सीखें, आप लोग जानें कि किस तरीके से होता है। क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं घर बैठ के इंतज़ार करते हैं कि कब RW के जो मॉक्स देखने को मिलेंगे आप लोगों की डिमांड पे। हमने एक बार फिर से इनको ओपन किया है आप लोगों के लिए, ताकि आप इन सभी चीज़ों को प्रैक्टिस कर सकें। और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, कुछ बच्चे बुक्स के बारे में पूछते हैं, तो बच्चे वो किताब है जहाँ पर आपको सारे के सारे जो GD के जो है आपको जो टॉपिक्स यहाँ पर देखने को मिल जाएंगे। तो बच्चे बोलते हैं कि टॉपिक्स कहाँ से करें, तो कंप्लीट ये बुक है जहाँ पर आपको सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी, जो आप इस बुक को भी फ्लिपकार्ट और RW ऐप से ले सकते हैं, राइट। तो इस तरीके से आप लोगों को मॉक की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। देखिए, अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, सेल्फ असेसमेंट कीजिए, और कंटेंट के लिए बुक आपको हमने बताई दिया है, इसको आप फॉलो कीजिए, डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा होगा। मिलेंगे एक और बेहतर सेशन के साथ, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, नमस्कार।